folks, this is Randy. You're in the TheTrampsWorld Motorsports channel. And today's kind of an unusual day. We're down Lake Havasu City, Arizona, and it is a Sunday, October 26th. And it's like 10 o'clock in the morning. And it's going to be a nice warm 85 degrees. So we are down here at the channel. Thompson Bay over that way. Bridgewater Channel this way. And you see all of those paddle boards over there. This is the annual Witches Paddle. So apparently what they do is they gather up right down over on this side over here, and then they're going to paddle their way all the way down the channel, all the way to the London Bridge. And so we've never done this before, and it looks like a lot of fun. It's one of those events that gets bigger and bigger all the time. And we figured that even you motorsports people might like to see a little bit of fun stuff around Halloween. Now you see, we'll go right over here. See, they're all decorated up. They got all their stuff together. Now this is a pretty busy paddleboard here. You guys got a lot of stuff on those paddle boards. That's pretty busy over there. That looks great. So like I said, we really don't know what we're doing here, but there's a lot of people that are just coming down here to look around, and they're going to check things out just like us. I'll do a little walking, play a little music for you, and I'll show you our home base. You can see it right up there. It's the first little flatbed pontoon boat, and that's going to be our home base for the day. Anyway, so sit back. Don't forget to comment on the video and like the video and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and you can see more fun stuff like this. So you suppose they're all fighting for position. So it'd be like a witch fight.
Get everybody facing the way. Everybody facing north. Come this way, the way we're guessing north towards the bridge. And safety, when you are ready, just give me the thumbs up, and I'll make sure we do the countdown. It looks like we are about to go. So, if I can have all the crowd help me, we're going to count down from 5. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Witches coming from everywhere.
It has started. Look out for your neighbors. Look out for your lefts and rights. All the little ones and the fur babies as well. Keep everybody in mind and have a safe trip. My name is DJ Ryan from KDAP 103.1. I'll see you when you return.
So it's just like, what have they done to the birds? Got dead canaries. So check this out. So this guy's gonna go ahead and just run.
One fell. Over there, by the pink. By the purple, sorry. We have a witch down! A witch down! Oh, she got back. The pride is hurt. That's fine.
TheTrampsWorld on YouTube. I'll check it out.
All right, so now we catch them all going home again. They all gather up here and they paddle their way down to the bridge, and they turn around and here they come. They're coming back. All right, this is Randy. You've been in the Tramps World Motorsports channel. We've been watching the Witches Paddle, the Witches Paddle 2025, Lake Havasu City, Arizona, October 26th, 85 degrees out. Don't forget to like and comment and share. Tell your friends.